Hello friends, welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Project. I don't know about you, but every time I hear artificial intelligence and the different programs that are coming out, at first I think I was a little nervous and I was like, oh my gosh, what's going on? What's happening? You know, from the Roomba vacuum cleaner to the robot that played chess, like there's all these different things that have happened with artificial intelligence. And then recently with ChatGPT, everyone has been really talking about this and all the different things about artificial intelligence and is it going to take over the world? But from this assignment, it's not going to take over the world. It will help make our lives a lot easier. But we wanted to show you a few of the tools that are out there and give you a chance to kind of think about this, use some of the tools, and form your own opinion around it. So the Artificial Intelligence Project is designed to introduce you to a variety of different tools. So the slide deck that you're looking at is a slide deck that has all the information in it. It's going to live in the presentation. It's in the beginning of the module. Also, you'll see it again within the Canvas assignment itself. So as you look at this, if we click to the next page, it actually walks you into kind of what's happening with AI in 2023, which is really important. So I want you to take a moment to first, before you watch the video, I want you to click on this template link because this template link is going to give you the template that you need for this project. So for this project, this is the template. And as you're watching the videos and going through and utilizing the tools, use the template at the same time. It's going to save you some time. Like this one, it says slide 2. It actually gives you a link to the slide deck if you haven't opened it already. And you're going to answer the questions that go with it. And then as you get to part 3 or part 2, we'll talk about this a little bit more. But I want to show you something as you start thinking about artificial intelligence, because many of you are already using artificial intelligence and you might not even realize it. So if you use Quillbot, so Quillbot right here, this is an AI rephrasing, grammatical type tool that you can use. And then if you're familiar with Grammarly, I also have Grammarly running right here. I've used Grammarly for about 2 years now, and I love it. Just started using Quillbot. Little quick note, at the end of this one, the summary that's in the reflection, I actually typed up and threw it in Quillbot to see what it would come up with. And then I used kind of what Quillbot came up with because it was kind of cool. So again, artificial intelligence, you probably already have it running. So back to the assignment. You're going to utilize the template. The template, it'll download like this. You click on Use Template, and then it'll come into your world and look like this. So again, 2 different AI tools that I have running in this assignment right now. So let's jump back. So you're going to look at, after you download your template, watch the video. It's a quick video. He's rather funny. Yes, he talks about marketing, but, and I know you guys are not all in a marketing major or interested in marketing, but think about it in your context. You don't have to think about it in terms of marketing. Think about it in the field that you're in and the type of, college and school you're here at ASU and a part of. So with this, after you watch the video, go ahead and click on Exploring AI. So when you click on Exploring AI, it's going to take you to this page. There are 15 different tools that we want to introduce you to. You can go through and play around with each one of them, but for the assignment, you have to play with 3 of the tools. So again, right here it says 3 tools. You're going to research, you're going to explore, you're going to review. You're actually going to go in and play around with the tool and see what it does. So let's click on ChatGPT because that's the big buzz right now. We added a video just so you could learn more about it. Each page has a video. There is a, what is the tool? How to get started? Is it free? And then a link to it. So for this one, if you wanted to go to ChatGPT, you can just click here. Some of them you have to sign up for. Some of them be careful because like with Speechify, it's in here as well. Speechify has a 3-day trial period. After the 3 days, you are charged. So some of these ask for your credit card. Just be wary of the ones that you're connecting with. You do not have to buy anything for this assignment. The goal is for you to get in, play around with it, and then report back. So you're going to bring in an artifact. So if you search in ChatGPT, let's say you go in and you ask it a question. Give us what you initially said or what you asked, and then what the results were. You can put that into the Google Doc and share it with us. So the artifact is what you're going to put in here, and then you're going to reflect and answer these questions. So there's 3 different spots for that. So give us the name of the tool. So change this name of tool. It should be like whatever the name of the tool is, whatever you've created. So if you use Quillbot, in Quillbot, you can take a paragraph of text on one side, you put that in, and then it's going to rephrase it here. So you would put in, this was my original. This is what Quillbot came back with. So that way we can see both pieces. At the end, so if we jump back to this one, and you go back to the main menu, after you explore, you can look through the whole slide deck. Again, 15 different tools. After you've gone through and you've explored the different slide deck, you've created your 3 different pieces, you're going to click on Reflections on AI. And again, I told you this was Quillbot's little, I guess it's the upgrade to what I originally wrote. But I want you to go in and think about the initial, video that you watched. Think about the 3 tools that you played around with. And then I want you to think about, what does this look like for the future, and how you will connect with others and how you'll connect with technology. So again, there are 3 parts to this assignment. Part 1, what is AI? Part 2, you're going to go in and start playing with 3 different tools. Part 3, you're going to summarize your learning. Please let us know if you have questions. Enjoy this activity. There are some tools that I added in that I didn't really know about, and they have really kind of simplified some of the things that I like to do, and some of them are just fun. So take a look. I'd love to see what you guys are up to. Please let us know if you have questions. See you in the next video.